Greetings ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to join today's webinar, the introduction of Hytera new DEM and SC780. My name is Exa Zhu, and I'm the Product Marketing Manager for the body camera solution in Hytera. Before formal introduction, let's take a look at Hytera's story of body camera solution. According to the data statistics, in 2019, more than 83% of civil cases in China involved digital evidence. Meanwhile, with the widespread use of the body camera, Hytera launched the VM780, which is our first LTE model and specially for public safety. Only one camera is needed to capture video and establish a connection with the control center via LTE or WLAN. And the following year, the first generation of DEM was released to unify the storage and management of captured videos. So users could easily retrieve, play back, and share them when needed to uphold the truth and justice. Since then, Hytera has continued to optimize and released a number of body cameras for different users. And gradually, a lot of practical applications and feedback make us realize that especially for public safety, how to safely and effectively analyze massive digital evidence and maximize its value is becoming a common problem. Also, as a trustworthy forensic device, the body camera are facing higher requirements for its video quality, such as higher definition, wider angle, and more advanced features to meet the challenges ahead. Therefore, Hytera took nearly 3 years to further plan and develop the future of body camera solution, and have been tested by a number of national and state-level projects around the world. All these efforts bring us to today, the official launch of Hytera new DEM and SC780 body camera. First of all, let's talk about the digital evidence. As we know, traditional evidence includes physical evidence, witness testimony, victim statements, and so on. But with the advent of information age, the involvement of digital evidence has soared in case investigation. It includes, but is not limited to, chat records, web browsing history, and a large number of videos, audios, pictures, which may be captured by your mobile phone, recording pen, the CCTV, and also body camera. Based on that, Hytera now is able to provide you end-to-end digital evidence management solution, from capture, safe offloading to unified management. With the new DEM, the safety, reliability, and high efficiency of the overall system are greatly improved, which are the 3 most important considerations for most of customers. Safety is to ensure that the evidence has 100% authenticity and is not tampered with in the entire process, from the police officer to the prosecutor and then to the court. So firstly, advanced technologies ensures that evidence is not leaked or tampered with from captured to transmission. Every record videos or audios will be encrypted frame by frame with AES 256 algorithm. Even if someone got the video, he wouldn't be able to view the content of it. Besides, the network transmission is also encrypted and has a verification mechanism to determine whether the evidence has been tampered with. In addition to encryption technologies, strict permission control is also related to its safety. You can make a very detailed permission assignment plan according to your actual organizational structure and the division of personal responsibilities. For example, you can design whether a person can view, share, or download evidence that are classified as confidential, secret, or ordinary. And each user can can only review and operate within their permission. Additionally, in the whole solution, every step of user's operation, whether it's login, click, view, or delete download, will be recorded as a log. So it's clear at a glance who did what to which evidence and when. Additionally, if you need to file evidence or cases, you can also export logs as an audit report as a supplementary material to prove the authenticity. The second point is about reliability, which often takes precedence over advancement. We have to make sure that the system works well at every critical moment. That's the basis for other advanced features. The new DEM no longer follows the traditional SOA, but is redeveloped on the microservice architecture. That means it can help customers lock down faults faster and supports flexible interconnection with a third-party storage for reliable backup, while significantly upgrade the performance. As for the system reliability, the new DEM supports both local and remote disaster recovery. Whether there's a server failure or a large-scale regional disaster, DEM system and database both have some degrees of automatic recovery and resilience to disasters. The third part is about efficiency, to show how the new DEM brings greater value to evidence with less time and energy consumption. The straightforward dashboard presentation provides administrators a quick understanding of the whole system. The automatic statistics of commonly used data, diverse charts and graphs allows you easily know the trend of evidence acquisition in the past month or week. How many cases have been handled today and how many people are on duty. Then, when we are going to retrieve or review the evidence, how can we quickly find the relevant evidence and key clues? As we know that metadata is also an important part of a file, used to describe its attributes such as recorder, recording time, and location. And through the metadata analysis, the DEM can achieve multi-condition filter or quickly find the relevant evidence near the crime spot on the evidence map. And track playback multi-view helps with the event investigation to show the full story in multiple dimensions. After the evidence review, some of the case-related videos may need to be shared with other internal personnel for cooperative investigation or shared with external personnel such as prosecutors and lawyers. The traditional way is to export the file to a thumb drive or burn it to a CD, and then by hand delivery, which is usually unsatisfactory in terms of timeliness and security. Now, the new DEM offers you a time-saving and a traceable way. Share evidence permission within the system or share the evidence and corresponding security certificates with external users directly by email. But sometimes, when sharing evidence with the court or the media, especially for legal education on some TV show or clarification of some misunderstanding between the police and community, in order to protect the privacy, it's necessary to desensitize the evidence, such as removing some sensitive communication information, the faces of parties and witnesses. So DEM also provides you copies redaction without having to share it with the third-party agents. It will be safer, also take less cost. In general, Hytera new DEM greatly guarantees the safety and reliability of evidence and system, and also provides efficient features in all stages of evidence presentation, retrieval, analysis, and sharing. But actually, it's more than that. As you can see, in this solution, the videos and audios are mainly captured by body cameras which may be disturbed in different substations, cities, even statements. So how do you know if these body cameras are being used in a daily basis? If you adjust the recording strategy, how to quickly change the parameters in batteries or upgrade them to a new version? Now, with the Hytera new DEM, you don't need to worry about that. It can help manage not only massive evidence, but also devices, including body cameras and docking stations. For example, you can monitor the device status, such as the battery life of the body camera, disk space of the docking station, and you can know anything weird of your devices in real time, even it's thousands of miles away. So next, besides the upgrades of evidence and device management, how about the improvements in evidence capturing? Let's review the part 2 of today's webinar. I'm so thrilled to introduce you to the new smart 4G body camera SC780, which is specifically designed for public safety and will give you better capture and greater justice in law enforcement. In this era of ever-advancing technology, countries around the world are seeking innovation to shape a safer society. As a cutting-edge police equipment, the SC780 body camera excels in video capabilities, capturing the truth and restoring the scene. On the one hand, by recording incidents of daily duties, the SC780 can help corroborate or refute allegations of excessive force or misconduct. This not only helps police officers maintain a higher level of professionalism, but also protects them from false accusations. It reinforces the credibility of police investigations, thereby helping to strengthen public trust in law enforcement. On the other hand, the real-time multimedia service also provides more comprehensive and accurate on-site information for energy handling during crisis management, disaster rescue, and major event security to assist the efficient decision-making of the control center. So based on these scenarios, the SC780 has pushed all aspects of its capabilities to the extreme. Next-level performance in recording, further optimization of real-time multimedia services, better experience in critical communication, and more professional design and quality. There's no doubt that, as a body camera, recording is the most basic mission. So first, I will tell you how professional and stress-free it is to record with the SC780, as you can focus more on your own mission. During law enforcement, unforeseen events can often catch us off guard, and in high-stress situations, officers need to focus on people and events around them rather than whether the video recording key is turned on. Therefore, to prevent the missing of critical moment, the SC780 can automatically store 120 seconds of video before you manually initiate the recording. This feature enables you to approach the situation with greater confidence, as you know that you are not only recording what's happening now, but also what has happened in the past and what is about to unfold in the future. In terms of video recording, the SC780 can capture more details of the scene from all sides for you. As for sound, it supports a longer, effective pickup distance. As for image, it provides a 130 degrees wider field of view. Whether it's a spacious outdoors or a narrow corridor, it can provide a wider range of vision and effectively reducing the blind spots in surveillance. So the SC780 is designed to record and reveal much more crucial elements and the surroundings of a scene. During movements or chase, the shaking of the body camera often leads to blurred image, which may be difficult to identify. So to improve this issue, Hytera brings advanced image stabilization technology to the SC780, so it can capture more stable and blur-free shots. Let's watch two videos recorded during moving. You can find that when image stabilization is turned on, the footage is dramatically stabilized. It also means that you can easily identify more key information. Additionally, if you use a regular phone or camera to record, virtually everyone can easily view, export, or edit the captured video. But this can't happen on SC780. We know how to keep the evidence safe and sound. As was mentioned before, the file captured by SC780 are encrypted frame by frame using AES 256 algorithm, and hash-based signature will help verify the whole process of the evidence transmission to ensure that the evidence cannot be leaked and cannot be tampered with. In addition to daily duties, the SC780 can also help establish a closer and real-time connection between the front line and the control center when dealing with emergency incidents, facilitating the efficient handling and effectively ensuring the safety of frontline officers. SC780 works with Hytera MCS platform to enable the visualized dispatch. When the control center receives an emergency call, the dispatcher can easily locate the accident and the nearby body cameras on a digital map. Then quickly deploy police resources and ask for timely support. At the same time, the SC780 can provide you a first-person perspective view of the scene, following officers' eyes, just see what they see. And thanks to dual stream technology, you can live stream video to the control center while saving footage locally. And besides, the SC780 can also achieve high stability and smoothness in live streaming under different network conditions. High comparison coding halves your bandwidth and network traffic at the same time, saving costs. And ABR technology can automatically adjust the video quality based on network conditions, ensuring reliable and smooth video even in challenging network conditions, such as tunnels or basements. However, the handling of emergencies often involves certain risks and dangers. If things are in a bad way, the law enforcement may encounter situations involving pushing, chasing, and even physical actions. So the SC780, as the most loyal companion of officers, can automatically detect whether the camera is blocked, the officer is down. If so, it will automatically send the alert to the control center for evidence capture and immediate assistance. What sets it apart is that the SC780 is the ultimate tool for multitasking. With the fusion of a body camera, a push-to-talk over cellular radio, and a remote speaker microphone, it gives you the opportunity to explore more business possibilities with fewer devices. Where there's a cellular signal, there's the SC780. You can achieve unlimited distance and geographical audio and video communication, especially in areas with poor narrowband network signals, such as indoors or suburban areas. It can still provide you with critical communication. If we do, then we do the best. We attach a great importance to the audio quality. It equips 2 powerful speakers with high sensitivity. Loudness can be up to 95 dB, which is about the volume of a motorcycle starting or a drill working. And also, it embedded with AI-based noise cancellation to help you better filter the environmental noise and ensure crystal clear voice. Let's get a feel for its effect. The sender is located at a busy intersection. Test, test, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what did the receiver hear?
Test, test, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Just as you heard, no matter where the sender is, the receive party can get right commands from the first word. Or you can just connect the SC780 to your two-way radio as a remote speaker microphone, talking and listening without ever reaching for your radio repeatedly. Last but not least, as a body camera, it's crucial to have an easy-to-use design and a reliable quality to help officers effectively carry out their duties during each shift. The SC780 is just like that. Definitely, long battery life now is a must-have feature for public safety customers. However, just increasing the battery capacity would inevitably lead to excessive weight and uncomfortable wear experience. But Hytera has found a winning balance between the ultra-long battery life and lightweight design on the SC780. The first is the low-power technology. A 3,200 mAh main battery can support up to 12 hours continuous pure recording at 720p, which is already the leading level. But the body is less than 180 grams, which is just equivalent to an iPhone 15. The second is two-battery design. Besides the main one, the other is the built-in backup battery, powering the ongoing recording for up to 3 to 5 minutes during main battery replacement. So there's no concern about dropped connections and lost recordings. About ease of use, the SC780 combines dedicated buttons and programmable buttons to unlock more usage experience for customers. In particular, the design of the sliding switch allows you to start recording by simply sliding down, and compared to most button-type keys, it can effectively prevent video shutdown from misoperation. The SC780, as always, has wide temperature range design and IP68 certificate, and it can perform well in harsh environments. In addition, it has to be mentioned that the SC780 features a special battery latch and bevel design around the body, so it can resist the 1.5 meter drops without worries of battery falling out. After introducing the body camera itself, I'd like to show you the accessories. As for how to carry, we provide a wide range of mount accessories for customers to choose. The magnet mount is suitable for most uniforms, including shirts, jackets, and vests, and chest harness has safety reflective strips to guard the officers at night. Also, it's more suitable for winter clothing. In addition, there are other audio-visual charging-related accessories. And for more information, you can refer to the official website of SC780, the brochures, or consult the Hytera team. Additionally, for safe data offloading and device management, Hytera provides rich type docking station to meet customers' requirements. Among them, the multi-docking station has more secure design. the officers need to authenticate with their fingerprint or RFID card to open the pocket lock before taking or returning the body camera. So this one can fully record who took which body camera and when, ensuring that your assets are safe and not lost. That's all for the introduction of Hytera new DEM and SC780. In general, the new DEM is trying to help you maximize the value of digital evidence based on safety and reliability. And the SC780 is an all-round upgraded LTE body camera, will bring you better capture in pursuit of better justice. Just like it says, innovate for a safer world. Thank you so much for joining us.